What's up, y'all? Sorry, I got a lot of shit going on. Sorry for running a bit late. Apologies. But got some shit going on. What's up, everybody? Fill it up, fill it up, fill it up. Ashtray 9, yo, I saw that, I was dying laughing. It's funny. What's going on in the charts today? Coming down. Let me mark up some levels. So I feel like I'm losing my voice. All right, daily doji. Still grab some more orders, but first thing we did when we opened up was create a top wick here on this 4 hour. It was a 50 pip top wick, so maybe this will be the pullback session before another bullish drive tomorrow. Let's see. Hourly's got a nice level, but I think the 30 is better. Minor. There we go. Yeah, we probably want a closure below here. Yeah, and see how that falls in perfectly in line with the level that you have here on a higher time frame to close below. So at this point, if we get a closure below here, we will look for a small retest of some resistance around here. So we want price closing. You want price closing below 78.69, right? So you want to see something like this, and then you want to see market or price attempt to come back up in range and reject at a resistance above this area. If we can do that and come back down in range, then we will have positions here. For now, that is the only thing I see. And this might change if we tap this area, pull back up, right? We could form support here, so it could be, it just depends how you print here, but hold on a second, chat. So, got our nice float area, 2378. Nice level here. this moment. We've had some 5 closures, bearish, but no wicks, haven't left the wick, so hopefully we can get a higher time frame closure here, leaving us a bottom wick. And after a top wick, we can be in some sells. So maybe in 5 minutes here, we'll see a nice 15 closure. Leaves us a bottom wick. It's closing below the most recent 15. So we'll see. So we really want it. I think we really want this off the 30. It would look better off the 30 if it's below 81.972. Yeah, might be off the 30. We'll see. Got the playing game today. Watching Lakers, Pelicans. LeBron versus Zion. You get 91 off the 5 and the 15, and it falls in line with, there's a strong rejection there on every time frame, on the 30 right in this area, on the 1 right there, right. So it's just a strong area where market seems to drive off of on every time frame, as we drive off of it down here, straight up. Once we get above there, right, close below, drove off of it straight down. So it just seems like this range gets filled. And everything above there drives, everything that respects drives all the way down to fill the range. So that's how I got it. It's top down analysis and it fits every time frame. Took 3 trades already? No, that's from yesterday. Let me get rid of that. Feel better? Yeah, gang, we'll be live New York tomorrow as well. Don's moving, so we'll be live on this channel. Make sure you're there. I think I'll be live around 8 a.m. I don't think any sooner. getting a 15 closure below here. Last time it closed below here, it just drove straight down. See this? But we faked out here on a higher time frame, so I would rather wait for a top wick. If we can get it, great. I'm looking for a top wick to didn't close below the 15. Need to be a steep top wick. Yeah, we need to tap 84 flat here if I'm gonna take a sell here. We need to tap 84, break previous 15 high, flip bullish on this hourly, and then re-break its own low. If it can do that, great. I doubt it will. Look, the previous hourly doesn't have a bottom wick, barely a minor one, so highly likely this re-breaks its own high eventually at some point in this hour. Alright, you might get a small bottom wick here and a re-break at a highs. So if we know that's likely, if that happens and then it re-breaks the low, that's when we'll be in. Don't you think it's a liquidity grab to drive up? It could be, I don't think it yet. Not yet. Doing alright? Yeah, I'm doing alright. Conserving my energy, voice. Past week, this entire month has been a lot of volume. The whole month. Oh wow, Lakers came back here. Closure above 2386, all right. Possible. You see? So this is key here. Can we break the 1 hour high? Come back into the range here. We should, because the previous 1 hour had no bottom wick. But now that we're back up here, can we re-break the low? Sorry, gang. I don't have the patience today for nonsense, for dumb questions. Typically, it's fair game, but I'm not feeling that great. It's been a long day. There's your 1 hour flip. So like I said, doesn't mean that we're going to come back down, re-break the lows on this 15, but if after this wick we now come back down, re-break the lows, we'll be in there. Okay. So if we start heading down here on the 15 and breaking down, we'll look to set sell stops or enter manually. For now, there's nothing. And look what happened last time we were in this range, right? Just a whole bunch of this nonsense. We might get a repeat here. Okay, so the 15's coming back down, like we said, right? So we have a bottom wick made here, like the previous hourly didn't have. We came up, grabbed the top wick. I don't know if it will flip. If it does, we'll take not the flip, but the re-break or the break of the hourly low. What's the difference here? 5 pips. I doubt we'll come down here. I think the 15 has a high chance to close back in range, which would close the 30 bullish also back in range, at which point we can look for a bottom wick and possibly a buy to the top of the range. We'll see. But when I say, you know, grab a bottom wick and buy to the top of the range, I mean like bottom wick to top 78. Right? 80 area. Yeah, 80.7. We have to be, you know, we gotta realize not just where we are, but when we are, and we have, you know, 36 minutes till the end of this 4-hour candle here. Closest doji, I mean, it's highly likely we're heading back down to 78 before making a decision. So we'll see. Let's wait for this 30. You have a level that runs across here, right? Across this area. Look, last time we had a closure above that area. Ran up, bottom wick came here. So can we mirror that? Now that we're back in range, can the next candle do this? Bottom wick and take us to the top of the range. Find out on the next 30-minute candle. Call like 40 pips this morning. Good job, Matthew. Yeah, Clubhouse ate too, I think. People in the Clubhouse been eating. You also take into consideration the other traffic to the left. Where? All of this on the 30? Yeah, I mean, I am. But overall, this is a higher time frame range. So I understand what we might see on a smaller time frame, but I'm looking to tap the higher time frame ranges. It's a nice level. We close below. We're maintaining below it. Could be interesting, maybe a top wick on the next 30 if this doesn't close above here. You look tired? Yeah, I'm very tired today. Over under 3.5 trades, definitely under. 100% under. It's not the market for it. Gonna be okay for New York stream? Yeah, meow. I'll go to the bathroom, cry a little bit, and I'll be fine. Looks like an M pattern on a 30. Yeah. Or maybe this is two wings and that's the head, and this is like the Batman signal. Two minutes here for the 30 close. Nothing like taking a good look in the mirror. No, nothing like taking a good look in the mirror under fluorescent lighting. You ever try that shit? Go look in the mirror under fluorescent lighting. That's fucking scary. Seconds. Damn. 15 flipping here with 30 seconds to go. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe you don't get a... Well, let's see where it closes. Maybe you don't get a top wick. Straight push down here. This is nice though, yeah. Like maybe you don't get a top wick like last time. You see over here that I pointed out earlier. But I would like one. I don't even think we closed below here. Nope, didn't close below. So, didn't close below, but it did close below the most recent. I would need a steep top hook here. And if it drives down to the bottom of the range, I'm cool with it. Did you take yesterday's L? No. If you're talking about the one from New York session, I didn't take the L or the W. We had positions in the clubhouse, but I missed out on both. Hold on a second, chat. Was it not valid, or you just weren't there? I'm not sure. I honestly didn't look at it. I think if Don's taken it, it's like, it should be valid. I mean, should probably go over it. As valid as the W he took, right? Isn't like, I'm not the judge of what's valid, what's not. It's like, it's not how it works. It's not like if I say, oh, nah, that she shouldn't have been in a position there, like, that's what it is. Like, why shouldn't he? Like, they're like, it's just, like, was it not valid for me? I don't know. I didn't look at it. I don't know if I would have been in there, but I have high trust for Don's opinion in the charts. Stream some boring. Yeah, sorry. Just today is not my clown day. It's the more of a wind down session, and I'm not feeling that great. So we're dragging here. And to be honest with you, there's a high chance we just range through the session just based on this previous range here. Doesn't mean we can't take advantage of the range. Music louder than your words. Let's do this. You guys have been spoiled. 99% of the time you get ratchet wicks on here. But I need my days. I gotta use my sick days. I haven't used my sick days in like 2 years. They're piling up. Now it sounds better. Just for you. Hoping to come enjoy ratchet wicks. Paid sick days or what? They need to be. Nothing better than watching a range. Well, I've made the commitment to be here and watch it. Are you about it? You say you trade, but are you really about it? Stand on business. On business. Get the popcorn, kick your feet up. Yeah, I mean, there's not much of a breakdown. We're printing side by side for now, or we're slowly trickling down, but we're still kind of printing side by side. No push, no rejection, not much volume, and I'll recognize volume when I see a closure outside of range. Need to change the strain. No, I just went outside. I smoked. I feel better. But that indica he's smoking. Maybe. Maybe. What up, Eddie? I didn't think you were gonna be here. I thought you were done for the night. Like, out. But you're here. Glad to have you. You need to change boring PP on stream. What's a boring PP? Leaving church, gotta get some food, probably won't make it. No, stay in church, put me on loudspeaker. Right now. Loudspeaker. Let's go. At this moment, we're on boring PPs. Blast me in church right now. Bet you won't do it. I need a video. The fuck? Johnny. Why is there a video of that? That's crazy. Alright, so you're getting a 15 closure. We've gone nowhere, really, so far. They were in mass? That's crazy. So is the Pope okay? I didn't see none of this in the news. So what now? Can the Pope pope? Or he ain't poping no more? Thumbnail fire, thank you. It seems like it's going to range. Yeah, but I don't want to say that because then everybody will leave. All right, so just let's keep the suspense going. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, it looks rangy. Looks like if it's gonna move, or if the position sets up, it might be past our stream time here, but we'll see. We'll see. $15 closed, bearish doji. We're gonna wait here on this hourly close, regardless. If you guys have something you need to do, go ahead. Or if you're in positions here, great. But I'm not taking anything until the hourly closes. It's gonna give us a lot more data. It's also the 4-hour close, so you know we'll have a lot more data to work with. Hopefully we can get out of this 78 to 86 range. Comb your teeth. Sounds exciting. Have fun, enjoy. Oh, what a day, what a day. It was a good day in the clubhouse overall, right? I think everybody in the clubhouse killed it. Your boy got killed in the clubhouse? What happened to Hank? Does everybody draw support resistance different? Yes. Payout denied. Well then, honestly, if they already denied you, you ain't getting it. Unless you make a scene. Unless you make a big enough scene. What are you gonna do? You're gonna write them an email asking why? Honestly, I would say, since they already denied you, like it can't get worse, or so I would threaten them. No, threaten them. Email them. Be like, look, I'm gonna go out of my way. No, not threatening. Like I'm gonna start a Reddit post or 10. Oh, nah, don't. Let's take it easy. Let's find out. Don't. Let's not name drop anything here. I mean, honestly, I don't care. Like, people want to know like what they need to do. But you got to be like, let's be objective. Tell us why, what happened. I can't blindly take your side. I need to know what happened. I don't know. What are we looking for today? We're looking for a win. Are we bored? Oh my god. See? You see what you get, chat? When I yap, you just complain why he yapping. When I don't yap, you're like, it's boring. Make up your mind. Sound like they were making rules. Yeah. Stop yapping. Yap more. Yap without yapping. Or stop whispering at me. I don't know what's going on in chat. Do you take break from trading from time to time? Like, do I specifically say to myself, I'm not going to trade these days? No. Like, if it happens due to life circumstances, sure. But other than that, I'm married to the game. Trading is like poker, just gambling. Yes. Is consistently earning $200 a day hard? For who? Who are we talking about? For you? I don't know. There's a lot of factors at play there. For me, no. But I would know all the variables and factors of that. Are we in a buy? No, Pierre, we're not in a buy. We're not in any positions at this moment. We're ranging. We're printing side by side. Easy, depends on your trading size and trading style and lot size. Yeah, for some people 200 is just their spread. Just depends. You're talking in terms of money, and that's irrelevant. It's only relevant like for your knowledge. Outside of that, like for conversation purposes, it's irrelevant. I think we drop later in the week to show a stronger dollar. Yeah, based on what? And even if you're showing a stronger dollar, that doesn't mean it'll drop, because you might have current events overpower. The fundamentals will really drive the market where it needs to go. The charts will just tell you where to enter. why is it so hard to get funded? Because if it wasn't, everyone would do it, and there wouldn't be anything special about it, and you wouldn't give a crap about doing it yourself. Mathin'? Yeah, it's kind of low for viewership though, right? 100. I got spoiled last year. Like, spent it at like 800 to 900 most of the year. Quick turnover on Forex. The times in your career when you didn't make money for months? Yes. Streaming tomorrow in New York? Yes. People can't stomach the ups and downs. No, I don't think they can stomach the loneliness of the ride. Because when you're not by yourself and alone in it, there's no support system, right? Like when you're by yourself and alone in it. When you know, other activities you're doing, you know, you're doing other things, you can complain to people, they'll understand you. Over here, it's the loneliness of the ups and downs that's really difficult to take. But it's good because you know it leads to growth, self-growth. You need a community? I don't think you need a community to be profitable. I think if you're able to withstand the loneliness, it'll eventually lead to greater things. Ooh, good pass. Alright, pushing up here for the 4-hour close. It's gonna close bullish here, but I don't think it'll close within the range. Yeah, there's nothing stopping the next 4-hour here if it closed like this to make a top wick and fill the range down. Yeah, it's very likely that you might see this push up here, but eventually the 4-hour will close like this. Highly likely. Depends how we open up on the next 4-hour. Otherwise, it would have closed above 86.82 here if that was the push. All right, so we closed bullish, weak bullish on the 4. The hourly closed bullish, barely a top wick. So if we are able to tap $87.9 and flip or break the lows, since we're flipping now, then I'll be in positions. Until then, we are still waiting. If you got UK citizenship, no, just open up your broker account with your UK citizenship. You only need to move to earn a citizenship. Once you got one, you can trade anywhere in the world under the rules of your, you know, country of origin, I guess, or whatever. You just got to provide the broker your UK paperwork. And then file your taxes in the UK. But then I don't know, you live in Canada, or you pay your taxes in Canada. I don't know. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. I might be wrong. Yeah, and I'm just thinking in terms of brokers letting you trade, but actually filling out taxes, that's right, you're in Canada. Live there, your residence is there. Sound like Tiana? Oh, I don't know. How do you distinguish the area where to tap wicks? Oh, where to tap? Well, we had a 4-hour candle that tapped 86 here, came down, couldn't drive down, came back up. So for us to drive down, we probably need more orders than this area. So then I go to the next area level above there, and since I don't have any on this time frame, I'll switch down time frames. I'll look at the hourly, and the next resistance above that price on the hourly is right there. So that's how I got the level that I want to tap before we re-break the lows. And then I look, last time it did that, it tapped that area right there with the wick, and it just fucking sunk. So if we're able to do that, and then we're able to break this low, then I'll look to take advantage of this area before I go break even, and then anything extra will be just, you know, cherry on top. That's my logic. You what? Ew. Oh, sunk. Don't have time? Find it. Find time. There's no help there. It's up to you what you want to prioritize. Or up to you figure out a way how to prioritize this without everything else getting in the way to such an extent where it would affect your trading. Join smoke today a few. You wanna trade? No. have a closure below here, barely, so. You only trade 1 or 2 trades per day in gold. I mean, I trade what I see. I only trade. That's not a valid thing to say. What's valid is what's more correct, right? Would be I only trade my positions whenever they set up. On average, they set up, you know, when I'm on the charts, maybe 2 to 3 times a day. So we've created a top wick here on this hourly candle. Some range to fill. Six minutes here for the 5. But this is a nice rejection. I mean, 6 minutes here for the 15. This is a nice rejection off the 5. If we can get a closure, I don't know if we will. This might drive to the top of the range. But if we can get a closure, that's when I think I'll enter. We'd need to not drive yet for another 5 minutes to the top of the range. But we need to close bullish. Tap this area, right? Boom, boom. And then it drove straight through here. Yeah, might not be a bottom wick. Let's see. Oh, just barely bullish. What up, Nick? Thanks for joining us. Appreciate you being here. Yeah, this will be your 15, 30 hourly. This will be your flip. You already have a top wick. I know the previous candle doesn't have one, but first thing we did was create one. So we've created some of this range. My issue is the 5 kind of closed respecting. There's a level here and the 5 closed below it, and we didn't make a bottom wick. So at any point, this can be a top wick to come down. And if it's right, if it's not, then I'll want this 15 to close. High chance this 15 fills the range though. But I just can't be in it with the way we're looking on the small time frame. On the 5 plus the 15, no top wick previously, right? I would have wanted this 5 to make a top wick and just drive us up. Then we can take the rebreak of the highs. Then again, right? 4 hour closed bullish. Yeah, I'm not in here, chat. If this drives up, we'll look for buys above there, but for now, I'm not in here. This is what I don't want to be in. Yeah, we just spoke about it, right? We can, because the 4 hour, it closed bullish, but it closed bullish below the 4 hour resistance. So there's a chance you can flip, create that top wick, and then flip back bearish, or you break the lows. Got 2 minutes till the 15 closes, chat. Give me a sec. I gotta piss like a racehorse. I'll be right back. BRB. Wow, we really pushing. I think my mood today matches the market quite well. 15 close bearish here. Was this a bottom wick for the hourly, or are we going to re-break the lows, continue down as a top wick for the 15 and the 4? Like, this is a really lousy range. It doesn't mean we can't take advantage of it. I would not mind. If this was a bottom wick. might be the bottom wick to break highs now, because this would make sense on the 15. I don't know, we'll see. It would make sense in any direction because of the range. Later TTE, appreciate you. Watching the one on the forced salary, sure. Basically, in this situation, like, it's not the reason why, but in this situation, I would need, because the way the levels are set up on the smaller time frame, we'd need to break the lows of the previous 4 hour or the highs of the previous 4 hour before I can enter any position. For now, we're just printing side by side. Look at this. Side by side. There's no direction. And there's no volume. The two quintessential things you need for having a profitable strategy. Saying we'll go live to Friday. I think he'll be live on Thursday, he said. Or maybe Friday. I mean, I don't know if his setup will be done. But yeah, if he's out, we'll cover the New York session. Won't that make volume? So an indication of volume for me is a closure outside the range, right? Because like you had enough volume to close outside the range, so that indicates volume. If we keep closing within a range or printing side by side, I interpret that as not enough volume to close outside the range. Why would I think it would have enough volume to drive anywhere? So I identify volume as initially closing outside the range. Whether we come back in the range and fill it or continue driving, we'll see. But that initial indication of volume is the actual ability of price to close outside the range. Lakers gonna blow it? I don't know. Do they deserve it? They've been killing it the last few months, right? But like, yeah, Zion ain't ready. Zion forgot how to dribble for a sec. Scrub. Can you explain the volume figure? What you talk about, Willis? Top left on trading view has volume. Right here. Right here. I don't know, man. Like, I don't look at any of this shit.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Shogun tonight. I don't know. I honestly think I'm just gonna knock out after the stream. I don't know what that figure means. I have no idea. I'm not even sure what figure we're talking about, but it's cool. I just don't care. Price action making me hungry? Yeah, I'm starving Marvin right now. Oh, it's about to be a 6-point game. Close out the third. Watch this. 10 seconds. You ain't doing shit. Just gonna chuck it up instead of. Ooh. Can you look at GJ, please?
How about no?
It's sideways too. Now why the fuck would I look at it, especially? It's sideways. Go ahead, somebody say it. Oh, it's in your title. It's in your title. Thanks. Thanks, Captain Obvious. See you tomorrow, Andrew. Oh, that's a foul. McCullum and Ingram tight. Williamson be chucking that shit. He needs to give it up. McCollum pissed as hell. Sleepy time. All right, Ahmed Mohammed. Enjoy your sleep. We will see you next time. Looking like London? It's not looking like anything at the moment. Looking like ass and feet. That's about it. Shit, met the man at the game. trickle down is real. 3 minutes here for the 30. And what a surprise. It's going to print right next to the previous 30. Cost 15 pips. You mean caught 15 pips? You need to get a better keyboard, bro. Walmart. Wireless. Register display model. Free. Mine has a volume figure. I don't see it on yours. Yeah, because I don't have it. I don't know. I get this withdrawal, I'll buy one. All right, we'll say a prayer. One minute for the 30 closer. Just got a call, feel miserable, should I smoke a joint, will that help? Should have smoked it beforehand, maybe you wouldn't have caught that cold. Kind of too late now. Gotta do it as a prophylactic. At this point, it's just a waste of weed. $30 closed bearish, 15 closed bearish. Hourly is bearish at the moment, but still in range. 30 closed bearish, but above respecting support here. So I got no positions. Oh. Chat, drop a like and sub to the channel if you're new here, but drop a like if you're enjoying this range with us. Oh yeah, make sure you go follow the IG. The IG definitely have more volume than tonight's Asian session. fucking brick after brick after brick. Hit a fucking shot. I mean, maybe it comes down here, but it's below the 5. But on all the higher time frames, it's not, so. Yeah, I'm gonna have no positions here. $15 close below. It's interesting. Yeah, this actually might come down here. Oh, whoa. But I won't be in it. Previous 1 hour bullish, the smaller time frames are all closing respecting support. It's kind of hard to take this flip here. It like looks nice on the 5, but it's got to look nice on every time frame. Yeah, this is just ugly. This is our session. This is what we've done this entire session. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. tired? Yes. Like dropped. W, appreciate it. Hasn't been much excitement in the charts, right? Just slow session, yeah. Very slow session today. Damn, viewers just dropped by like 200. What happened? Watch us have a position in 15 minutes. People will be like, damn, I stayed there whole time. Why not end the session? Because I'm going to give it the proper time. I want to see how this hourly closes in relation to the previous hour and see if there's any potential within the next hour after this. I should take all the trades you see in a day. I take my trades that I'm comfortable with. Rangy mangy, yeah. Is that correct? I don't think that's correct. There's like 60 people watching right now. I'm about to make this shit. Yo, these streams about to be paid in private. Straight up. I see 88. Yeah, I see like, I just seen like 60. That's crazy. It was like 500 a minute ago. Or maybe it's something with the YouTube algo. I don't know. Yeah, I think it might be the YouTube algo because my likes say 9, but they've always done that. I'll let you like it says error. Yeah, I think something with YouTube. Yeah, there's definitely not 50 people watching. There's more than 50 people talking right now. Refresh, should I? Yeah. No, this shit says 50. Is it me? Does my breath smell? Chat. Is it my breath? Yeah, I restarted it and 43 watching. No, there's like... No. Just Zoom has 23. And then there's more than that that don't have a blue or green letter next to their name. Yeah, YouTube is tripping. It says 30 people watching. I got more in the Zoom. Fuck out of here. They trying to clown me. It's definitely not. Yo, chat. If this shit gets to 0, it says 20 people watching. There's more than 20 of us chatting right now. If this shit gets to 0 and the stream fucking stops, that's gonna be crazy. F this amount. 9 people watching. Damn. Yo, what the fuck is up with my viewer chart? Went from within a minute from 539 to 9. How did we just lose 530 viewers? Yo, YouTube, the math ain't mathin'. Why don't you invest in Amazon Wix? Hustle, a side business, learning experience. You know, because I have enough shit that I do, and I make enough here. Just to fill up my time with extra shit. That's the whole point, for me to free up my time. Bye, Felicia. Lakers going. Oh, it's a 2-point game. 4-point game. That was a good shot. Wow. I didn't even realize. I wasn't looking. It's 5 minutes to go. It was so seemingly organized. No, they didn't leave. It's the YouTube algo. It's just what it's saying. There's definitely a lot of people in here. Chat, if you hear click on the like, yeah, do that. Unless you've already clicked, then don't do it again. Yeah, I mean, we're on to the last 15 minutes of our session. If we don't see a drive in either direction, I mean, we're gonna call it. This is lousy. Damn. That's been, it's been 2 hours of barcoding. It's been more. It's been like the last 4 hours of barcoding. If we get a breaking news alert, Russia's launching, you're taking a buy? No, the only thing I'm buying in that case is a fucking bunker. When the Alex G giveaway? What did he give away? Yeah, Hank's dedicated. That's one thing I can say. Oh wow. Pelican's about to tie this. Oh, you gonna let him shoot? Pelican's gonna take the lead here. Ah, scrub. Just Brick City. Think will go up or go down? No clue. No clue. We'll be ready for when it lets us know. Yeah, Shaq. On Christmas, you gave 11 people 1K, but we got challenges instead of the cash. Huh. Who could have predicted that? Lakers doing Lakers things? No, Lakers doing Knicks things. That's what they're doing. They're doing some Knicks things right now. I don't know why. Imagine I just showed up tonight and just pulled the silent one on you. Just like silent stream for 2 hours. Just sat here, watched the range, left. Bet you we'd be at more than 41 viewers. Shit. How are we at 41 viewers and we haven't lost in a month and we're on like a 20 win streak? Maybe I need that little running headline that Don has on top of the stream. ESPN, yeah. Da-na-na. Streams with no cam, just a chart. Love those, huh? I don't know how they get so many subscribers. It's crazy. It's just nonsense. Looks like Felicia ignoring me. It's funny how we got a Felicia today with the thumbnail that I had today. Bye, Felicia. This is ugly. We just printed more side by side than we were already. I mean, I'm sure people are trading this range share, but I'm sure a lot of people are blowing accounts in this little range share. Going to sleep, Lewis? All right. Yeah, have a good night. I'm not going to be too far behind you. I'll be heading out here in a little bit. There's 3 minutes left in the Lakers game. Let's see that through. Been with you for a couple of weeks, Wix. You have skills. Thank you. Got caught countless times before. Not knowing when not to take trades. Yeah, I say that all the time. Knowing when to step away is just as important as knowing when to attack. It looks like we have volume to close out the hourly, right? Or maybe not. LeBron almost got a triple-double here. He's 9 rebounds, 9 assists. I think he's just willing his team to a win right now. I don't think he's too nasty. He's just willing it. But 99-99, 2 minutes to go. Blow my account. That sucks. Could you imagine blowing an account inside a consolidation? Yeah, that's typically where most accounts are blown. Oh, it's going up. Oh shit, it's coming down against me. Let me close it out. It's coming down. Take a sell. Oh shit, and it goes right back up against you. And then like, but before you know it, you're like 8 positions in, and you've moved 1 pip in the grand scheme of things. So wait for that indication of volume. Wait to break out of the range, and then get in when it's either back in range or continues. Yeah, no trade today. I think today's our first no trade day of the week, right? Or in the last 2 weeks. Any trades, or are you still waiting? No trades. No trades, bro. No trades. Good luck. Yeah, we're probably gonna call it here soon. A couple of minutes. Let's finish the Lakers game. Good night. See you in the AM. Yeah, good night, Don. This barcode, yeah, it's a little more exciting when it's moving and no entries than barcode, no entries. I can agree with that. Chris, good night, good night, good night. W session. Yeah, W range. The range wins tonight. Think of a range till London season. Possible 20 seconds here. Didn't do much, just side by side. I honestly don't even care right now if it drives out the range. At this point, it's too late for me. I'm gonna cut it here, and we'll have some more fun in the morning. What a match. Yeah, we're watching it. Watching it. Do we have any news tomorrow? What do we have tomorrow? Tuesday, Wednesday. Oh yeah, chat. Psych. No news. So we have no red folders tomorrow. Unemployment claims on Thursday. Let's see. Let's see if we can break out of a range tomorrow or overnight. All right, gang. Yeah, I'm going to call it a session here. We waited out the full 2 hours. We went nowhere. We're right back in the same spot where we began the stream, price-wise. And let's call it a session. You get a double stream tomorrow? Yeah. So tomorrow we'll do New York on this channel, and we'll do Asian. Okay. So, yeah, I'm going to need to get some rest. But either way, chat, I appreciate you guys for coming through. It's been a fun evening. Zoom gang, appreciate you guys as well. Mods, thank you. Chat, sometimes we just range. What's your other channel? This channel. We'll be here for a New York session. All right, gang, that's my time. And just like that, another Asian session is in